The Philippine Air Force has its plans to acquire attack aircraft AV-8B Harrier 2 VTOL that will be retired by the United States Marine Corps. This decision marks a significant step in the effort to modernize the Philippine air fleet and enhance the country's air defense capabilities. The AV-8B Harrier 2, with its unique ability for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, is deemed a highly valuable asset by the Philippine Air Force. This capability allows the aircraft to operate from locations lacking prepared runways, such as highways, remote jungles, or small aircraft carriers. Consequently, this aircraft will greatly expand the operational reach and military flexibility of the Philippines, especially in hard-to-reach or remote areas. Since one of the Philippine Air Force's reasons for selecting the JAS-39 Gripen was its ability to operate from makeshift runways like straight roads, it means that part of the PAF's doctrine is to prepare for operations without reliance on runways. The introduction of the AV-8B Harrier 2 could be a good solution too. The AV-8B can operate from jungle or secluded island makeshift bases, can be moved away from regular air bases once a shooting war starts, and can continue to conduct combat operations. Its vertical takeoff weight is within the operating limits of the landing deck of the Tarlac-class landing platform docks of the Philippine Navy. And while it does not carry proper anti-ship missiles, it can carry similar munitions as the FA-50 Block 20 fighting, like the Paveway-2 and JDAM smart bombs, which can be used to attack China's illegal bases in the West Philippine Sea, and the AGM-65 Maverick for a limited short-range anti-shipping role. They are marinized, meaning they are designed to operate in a maritime environment, including better protection from seawater and corrosion. These are also good options for the Philippine Air Force's 15th Strike Wing, which is already looking at replacing its older light-armed helicopters, MD-520MG Defender, and light attack aircraft, OV-10 Bronco and SF-260TP Warrior, with a new replacement that may include jet-powered attack aircraft. And this is definitely a better option than the A-10 Thunderbolt II, which is designed more for anti-tank warfare. One of the most intriguing aspects of this potential acquisition is the aircraft's ability to operate in maritime environments. The Philippines, as a strategically located archipelagic nation, has significant interests in safeguarding its maritime territories and asserting national sovereignty in the South China Sea. The AV-8B Harrier 2, with its marinized design, can operate from naval vessels and conduct airstrikes and reconnaissance missions across vast maritime regions. Furthermore, this aircraft possesses the capability to carry various types of precision munitions, including Paveway-2 smart bombs, JDAMs, and AGM-65 Maverick missiles. This provides the Philippines with a significant tactical advantage in confronting threats in complex regional areas, such as illegal activities in the Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ, or challenges posed by competing military bases in the South China Sea. Of course, the acquisition of the AV-8B Harrier 2 does not come without challenges. The Philippine Air Force must prepare infrastructure, train personnel, and develop appropriate operational policies to support the effective use of this aircraft. However, with strong commitment and support from international partners, the Philippines can overcome these obstacles to achieve success in operating this attack aircraft. This agreement also marks a significant step in defense relations between the Philippines and the United States. It reflects the commitment of both countries to strengthen their defense cooperation in an era filled with regional and global security challenges. By acquiring the AV-8B Harrier 2 VTOL attack aircraft, the Philippine Air Force demonstrates its determination to enhance the country's air defense capabilities, protect national sovereignty, and contribute to greater regional stability in Southeast Asia. This agreement is expected to provide long-term benefits for the security and well-being of the Filipino people, while reinforcing the Philippines' position as a strong and reliable defense force in the Asia-Pacific region.